Hi, my name is Satish Alavarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today topic is dust collectors. Dust collection is the one of the big task in power plant because we are using fuel is a coal. In this coal, we are having fly ash, carbon ash, smoke, dust, and some irritating vapors like CO and S2. Due to dust, it causes air pollution and damage to human bodies. So, with the help of different dust collectors, you have to collect the dust from the furnace. Those are different types. One is mechanical dust collector, second one is electrical dust collectors, and again subclassification in the mechanical dust collectors. One is wet type dust collectors, second one is dry type dust collectors. In electrical dust collectors also subdivided into two types. One is rod type, second one is plate type. Let us briefly discuss about different types of dust collectors. Now, what is basic principle of mechanical dust collectors? Mainly, by increasing the cross-sectional area of dust through which dust gases are passed, the gas velocity is reduced and dust particles are allowed to fall down. This is the main principle used in mechanical dust collectors. And come to the wet type collector. It is also called as a scrubbers collector with water spray to wash dust from the air. It having large quantities of wash water are needed for central station gas washing. In the system is sold and is used. It is also produces wastewater that may require chemical neutralization before it can be discharged into the central bodies of water. And come to the dry type dust collectors. They are commonly used for dust collectors. Gravitational separator, one of the commonly used. In this collector, act by slowing down gas flow so that particles remaining in a chamber long enough to settle in the bottom. They are not very suitable because of large chamber volume needed. And come to the cyclone or centrifugal separator. In this system, the cyclone is a separating chamber wherein high speed gas rotating, and purpose of centrifuging the particles from the carrying gases. There is an outer downward flowing vortex which turns into an inward flowing vortex. Involute inlets and sufficient velocity at pressure are used to produce the vortices. An advantage of cyclone separator is rugged in construction, maintenance costs are very low, and efficiency increases with increase in load, easy to remove bigger size particles, and disadvantage is it requires more power and incapable to remove dust and ash particles, and less flexible and high pressure losses. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of cyclone separator. And come to the electrical dust collectors. In electrical dust collectors, mainly elements are high voltage source, ionizing and collecting electrodes, dust removal mechanism, shell to house. These are the main elements used in electrical dust collectors. In electrical dust collectors have two sets of electrodes insulated from each other, and it maintains an electrostatic field between them at high voltage. The field ionizes dust particles that passes through and attracting them to the electrode of opposite charge. The voltage is very high and it ranges 30,000 to 60,000 volts with the collecting electrodes grounded. Wet type of unit removes dust by a water film flowing down on the inner side of the collecting electrodes. These units have collection efficiency around 90%. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of dust collectors? Means main advantage is remove very small particles like smoke and fly ash, and operation is very easy. Draught losses is very less, most effective for high dust loaded. Maintenance charges are minimum. And come to the disadvantages are it requires less space, and requirement of area is very more, and need to protect the collector from sparking, and running charges is very high. Capital cost of equipment is very high. These are the main disadvantages of electrical dust collectors. And see the diagram of efficiency of dust collectors. And layout of dust collection system. General layout of dust and ash handling collection system. So these are the different types of dust collectors used in power plant. Okay, thank you very much.